How to fix PayPal not sending verification code. To fix the issue of PayPal not sending a verification code, start by checking your email address and phone number to ensure they are correct and up to date in your PayPal account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and try to request the verification code again. If the issue persists, check your spam or junk folder for the verification email, as it may have been filtered out. Also, ensure that your email provider is not blocking emails from PayPal. Another step is to check your phone number. If you are trying to receive the verification code via SMS, ensure that your phone has a strong signal and can receive texts from other numbers. If you are still having trouble, try changing the method of verification from SMS to email or vice versa. Additionally, clear your browser cache and cookies, and try using a different browser or device to request the verification code. If none of these steps work, you can contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. It is also essential to be aware of phishing scams, where attackers may try to trick you into revealing your verification code. Never provide your verification code to anyone, and only use the official PayPal website or app to request a verification code. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of PayPal not sending a verification code and complete the verification process successfully. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and be cautious of potential scams.